Hi, today in front of me Infinix Note 12 Pro and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then tap to display and brightness section. Then click to always on display, and just to change the style, to customize the style of your AD option, you should click to more styles, and after that we can select one from these available simple clocks or the spaces, the time files, selfie stickers, and the start strip. For example, let's use one from this. Just here click to apply and it's set successful. Just let's lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed it. So let's try, for example, one more time here, the selfie sticker, for example. We can choose here the picture. We can use our photos from our gallery or Google Photos. Let's use it just once. Unfortunately, I just don't know any photos here on this one. So here you can change the position of this photo. Click to apply, and after that just tap apply. It's set successfully. So let's lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed it. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Infinix phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.